European parliamentarians, officials, and IT experts have warned that the social media users in India use digital information for political and ideological propaganda. In a conference, experts warned that digitalization in India comes with challenges for first-time internet users who fall for scams and lies. While Digital India is planning to bring more Indian citizens online, first of all, internet users are easy to become victims of political and clever lies. We need to take up account of the complications they have now, how the world's largest democracy should go digital, said Marketa Grigorova, a member of the European Parliament's Special Committee on External Investigations into all democratic processes in the European Union. Dukhtaran-e-Millat, led by illegally detained Hurriyat leader Asia Andarabi, has moved the Delhi High Court challenging the banning of the organization by Indian government under Draconian Law Unlawful Activities Prevention Act. According to Kashmir Media Service, the prominent women organization Dukhtaran-e-Millat was banned by the Indian government in 2004 and chairperson Asia Andarabi was arrested by NIA in a false case in 2018. At least 8 to 10 lakh migratory birds are expected to arrive in the territory's wetlands this season. Wildlife Warden Wetlands Kashmir Afshan Diwan said that so far 10 to 20,000 migratory birds have arrived in Hokersar wetland. The arrival of birds starts from October onwards and they stay in Kashmir till March end, she added. An analysis carried out Kashmir Media Service said that hegemonic designs of RSS-backed Bharatiya Janata Party government in India pose serious threat to regional peace and stability. It said India has been impeding the way for decades towards a peaceful settlement of the Kashmir dispute. The analysis said that peace will continue to elude South Asia till the lingering Kashmir dispute is resolved as per the Kashmiris' aspirations. Incarcerated leader of the All Parties Hurriyat Conference, Shabbir Ahmad Shah, has expressed serious concern over the surge in Indian state terrorism in occupied territory. Shabbir Ahmad Shah, in a message from New Delhi's infamous Tihar jail, strongly denounced the unabated killing of Kashmiri youth by Indian troops and illegal confiscation of civilian properties by the occupation authorities in the territory.